Hello Brainsprouts family, it's your math buddy Robby here. Last time we were busy multiplying things together. Today we're flipping the script. Get ready to meet division, multiplication's twin brother who loves sharing. Okay, imagine this. You've just baked 12 delicious cupcakes and your 3 best friends come over. Do you eat them all yourself? Tempting. B. Share them equally? If you said B, ding ding. That's division in action. Division is just a math way of saying, let's split something into equal parts. It answers the question, how many in each group? Or how many groups can I make? Example 1. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. How many is in each group? Example 2. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. How many groups are there? Here's the cool secret. Division is multiplication backwards. If 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12, then 12 divided by 3 equals to 4, and 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. It's like pressing the undo button in math. Division can be thought of in 2 ways. 1. Sharing. I have 15 sweets and 5 friends. How many sweets each? 2. Grouping. I have 15 sweets. I put 3 in each bag. How many bags can I fill? Both are division, but the question changes slightly. Division pops up everywhere, cutting a pizza into equal slices, sharing 20 marbles between 4 friends, splitting 24 points equally in a video game between 2 players. Let's play quick split. I'll give you a number and you shout the answer before I say it. Ready? Question 1. 16 divided by 4 equals 2. Question 2. 18 divided by 6 equals 2. Question 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 2. Sometimes numbers don't split perfectly and we get leftovers, called remainders. But that's for our next Brainsprouts adventure. And trust me, it's going to be fun. So remember, Brainsprouts, multiplication puts things together and division shares them apart. Practice splitting your snacks or toys equally. You'll be a division pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a Brainsprouts adventure. See you next time. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep sharing those cupcakes.